You've heard it everywhere. Bybit Deposit Bonus, 30,000 US dollars. This is crazy. It is insane. Why is an exchange giving away free money, or is it not free? In today's video, we are going to go over all of these statistics. I'm going to calculate how much fees you are going to pay with these deposit bonuses. I'm going to answer the most common questions, like whether you can withdraw this deposit bonus, yes or no. So at the end of this video, you will know exactly how to claim this deposit bonus. Is it actually worth it, or is it a scam? And you will get answers to the most common questions. Now let's jump straight into it. But before we are jumping into the calculation, guys, if you like to get a deposit bonus, it is only possible to get a deposit bonus if you sign up through a specific affiliate link. So when you just go to the Bybit website and create an account, you will not get this deposit bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars. That's only possible when you use specific affiliate links. We have a affiliate link down below in the description if you want to use ours. But you can basically use any affiliate link out there as long as it's a affiliate link. So how can you get this deposit bonus? Well, after you've created an account, you have to go to My Rewards. You have to find the deposit bonus promotion in the rewards section, and there you click on participate, and afterwards you are eligible to get this 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And once you meet the deposit and trading volume requirements, the bonus will appear in your asset page on the derivatives in the bonus section. And so here is where it becomes interesting, because you have to do something to get this bonus. You gotta deposit and have a trading volume. But there are very small letters below that the trading volume only for taker orders are being counted. When we have a look at Will Portal, what is the taker fee for Bybit? 0.06%. That is not low, right? So you actually have to pay fees in order to generate that trading volume, in order to get these bonuses. So guys, what I've been doing is I've been calculating for every single deposit bonus the amount of fees that you have to pay. And we are going to have a look whether you still get a higher deposit bonus than the actual fees that you are paying to get to this trading volume. Here we can see all the deposit and trading volume requirements to get certain bonuses on Bybit. And actually you can see here $30,000 and $20 in bonuses, because actually you can get $20 US for free for actually doing nothing but just signing up with the affiliate link down below. But let's have a look at this graph, guys. So if you want to get a $10 US deposit bonus, you need to deposit $100 US and trade $500 US. If you want to get the full $30,000 US deposit bonus, you need to deposit $250,000 US and have a trading volume of 150 million.
That is so much money.
Yeah, right. So let's dive into the calculations. Oh, here we got the first table, and what you can see right here on the left side, we have the amount of volume that you need to have. Here we can see the fees that comes along with that volume, and here we can see the bonus that you get with that volume. So we don't look at the deposit right now, we just look at the volume and the trading fees that the trader needs to pay. And so far this is actually looking pretty good, because as you can see, the first bonus, if you want to get a $10 US bonus, the trading bonus is way higher than the trading fees that you are paying. But you can already see right here, the higher the bonus, the higher the trading fees, because the blue one represents the trading fees and the green one represents the bonus. But here is where it's get interesting, because when we look at the higher bonuses, so for example the bonus of $350, $800, $5,000, 8,800 and 30,000 US dollars, you can see it's actually opposite. The amount of trading fees that you are paying right here is higher than the amount of bonus that you receive. So for example, if you have a taker trading volume of 150 million, you pay 90,000 US dollars in fees, while actually getting 30,000 US dollar as a bonus. So basically that would be just a discount on the fees, right? Well, not completely, because Bybit of course has a VIP program as well, and the higher your trading volume, the lower your fee. So for example, if you have a trading volume on derivatives above 25 million, you will go to VIP 2, and then you can scroll down below and you can see VIP 2 has a taker fee of 0.0375%. That is almost the half of what you have without VIP. So of course, I have been taking that into consideration and I've been calculating how much fees you would actually pay, even though you are getting these benefits from these VIP programs. But what we see right here, guys, is the higher we go up in this deposit bonus campaign, the more fees you will pay. And this is actually the best one. So when you have a 10 million trading volume, you pay $4,000 in fees, but you will get a $5,000 deposit bonus. This is the last one where the bonus is actually higher than the amount of fees you pay, because all the others that follow, the 8,800 deposit bonus or the 15,000 deposit bonus or the 30,000 deposit bonus for a 150 million trading volume, you can see that the blue one is always higher than the green one, which basically means that the fees that you are paying to Bybit is higher than the bonus that you will be receiving. So if you want to take the maximum advantage of the Bybit Deposit Bonus campaign, then the most money you can get is when you have a trading volume of 10 million, because you will get a free $1,000. Now, let's go to the most common questions that everyone has. And the first one is, can you actually get free money on Bybit? And the short answer is yes, you can get a free $20 if you sign up with the affiliate link down below. There you don't have to make any deposit or meet any trading volume. When you get a deposit bonus on Bybit, whether it is the free one or whether it is the big one because of your trading volume and deposit, can you withdraw that? No, you cannot withdraw your bonus money. However, you can use this bonus money to trade, and all the profits that you make with that trading, you can of course withdraw. And a lot of people ask, where can you find this deposit bonus? Well, after you've participated in the rewards section and you meet the deposit requirements and the trading volume, the bonus will appear in the asset page in the derivative section under the bonus. So guys, I hope by now you know exactly what the trading bonus of Bybit is and what it not is. It's definitely not free money, but it's a good incentive to use Bybit as your #1 trading platform. If you have any questions left regarding the deposit bonus, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you learned anything from this video, if you find it useful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, so we can stay connected. I've made a lot of tutorials on Bybit on a lot of various functions, like how to copy trade on Bybit, how to create trading bots, but I also found some tricks on Bybit, how you can minimize your fees that you're actually paying this platform. I'll list all of my tutorials down below in the description, and if you want to use Bybit as your #1 exchange, I would highly recommend you to watch these tutorials. And Bybit right now is organizing a free 500 USD position airdrop, which means if you join Bybit with the affiliate link down below, you can basically claim a free position using $500 from Bybit, which you can use, for example, with a 10 or 20x leverage. So that's all up to you, and profits that you make with that airdrop you can withdraw as well. So guys, very interesting. There are still some possibilities to get some free money on Bybit. If you want that, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.